Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. There. That's for an outside corner.
Alright, so here you go.
Very good. Then we're going to cut from this corner here, where these two cross. This one going this way, this one going this way, to that corner there. I'm going to cut through both of them. Not brand new snips, even though they're brand new. Should cut that easily, but it's not. I have to wiggle it off. It's a shame. Milwaukee's failing the competition with Wiss. All right, see how those corners line up really, really tight? There you go. That's what we're going to try to do on all these. Now on this end, that's in an outside corner. When we have a double outside corner, a little different in that you want 1.1 on each side. So we mark like right here, right here. Line it up with the edges of the column there, make it back a little bit. Go into the wood. All right. So now, look at this one, where it's 1 inch past. Cut it back.
South Carolina. Hello? Apparently my Bronco has extended car warranty, Dad.
1987 Broncos got an extended warranty. They called you about it. They had a good warranty, didn't they?
Yeah.
Again, go those two intersect to that corner there. And these snips are not passing the test. You should have cut through that easily. Anyway, there it is. We're going to do that on all the outside corners, and that's what you can do. Just that simple. So you can do the same thing on the inside corners. I don't think a lot of people notice.
Why don't you finish this one up so they kind of get the idea?
Huh?
Finish this one up.
Finish them all the way up.
At least so they get the idea. Remember, a guy was asking step by step, so.
Well, I can do that. And again, I'm marking right up here so on the back. Yeah, I should be wearing pouches, but I rebel against it after years of having to wear them. All right. All right.
Sorry for me, I'm just trying to show them.
That one cut right.
You guys go. The first corner.
We're just going to do that one more time. And we'll have all the outside corners done.
Hardest part is just to move around there with the camera to look towards it.
Yes, I learned. I learned by some guy cussing like, I'm allowed to teach you how to be my competition. It's not right. Get your ass in there.
Who was that?
Oh, man. There ain't no journeyman that didn't fuss and fume. I'm not one to teach you how to compete with me. You better get it right. I ain't waste all my time. There's a couple of guys that were pretty good. Nice guys to work with, but most of them were not.
Oh, I need to show you something that's pretty interesting that happened in F1.
I know Lewis Hamilton doesn't care, but I don't like Lewis Hamilton because he gets away with things he shouldn't get away with. Even though he has the highest priced team in the world. I just don't think he's that good. And I think there are better drivers driving with less money. So, and I don't know, he don't care what I think, so. Just watching him drive, he's by no means the best driver that I've seen. If he was my friend, I'd tell him the same thing. He's not my friend.